Hello everyone, welcome to Lorenzo Data Solutions. So my name is Anipe Abraham. Today I would like to discuss about a new topic, that is SuccessFactors Recruitment Management H2 Release 2021 Minor Enhancements. So SAP has already released the minor enhancements and updated in the system as for the preview release, the production release. So as you all know that the preview release took place October 15th, 2021. The production release, it's November 16th, 2021. So today I would like to explain in a detailed manner a few of the minor updates that I have posted on my website. So all those who are watching, hope it is going to be helpful to everyone. The first, the minor enhancement is the behavioral changes in a career site page. When you create or when you update in a recruitment management, the external career microsites, here what exactly you see the behavioral change. Earlier, the candidates are actually, when they sign out, you are actually not given any proper indication. But from this release, the candidates are now redirected to the career sign-in page when you actually sign out, instead of taking you to the career site homepage. Before, when you sign out, you are taken to the career site homepage. But now from this production release, November 19th, 2021, as soon as you sign out from the career site page, you will be again taken back to the login page. This is how it looks like. This is exactly you will be able to see when you just sign out of the career microsites in a recruitment management. So this is one of the behavioral change that you can actually observe and enhance your understanding. That's the first thing. And this actually the release on 2H 2021. And this is just an enhancement, and this is not a new release. And this is the time, and it is automatically updated universally from this 19th November 2021 production release. The second, the minor enhancement you will see in recruitment management H2 2021 is updates to the ISO codes list, like a 3-letter standard ISO code that you always used to hear. So for the corresponding countries like Mexico, Norway, Switzerland, SAP has updated the ISO codes list along with the labels for country, region, and state, province in a SuccessFactors HXM BizX suite. So try to make sure that you are taking all the necessary actions for all these countries and the corresponding regions with the code that we have updated. If you just read it, you can come to know. That's another minor update that you will see from this release. The third one is the field label configuration for a standard object fields in a job requisition. The standard job requisition fields are like a business unit object, cost center object, legal entity object, and a standard position object. Now what you have to do, you have to maintain it directly, the labels, from the manage job requisition system fields page via admin center. So now from this enhancement, all the existing customers who have already implemented, they don't need to perform any other actions because the labels are going to be pre-populated like earlier. So the behavior of the labels for a new recruiting customers, for example, there are two scenarios we have here. The first one is For the customers who have enabled Employee Central, the labels are pre-populated from a custom language pack, otherwise a default language pack. To keep the labels consistent across the SuccessFactors BizX HXM suite, you need to configure the labels in a Manage Job Requisition System fields in Admin Center. This is for the customers who have enabled Employee Central with a recruitment management. For the customers who have not enabled Employee Central, the labels are actually pre-populated based on the language pack, a default language pack. So in the current version, you must configure the labels as I told you in the Manage Job Requisition System field link in Admin Center for these. But in the previous version, the labels for these 4 standard fields are actually derived from a succession data model for customers who have enabled Employee Central. But for those who the customers who have not enabled Employee Central, they're actually coming from the default language pack. But now how you are going to do updating these labels from the Manage Job Requisition System fields in Admin Center. And this is another behavioral change, and I'm sure that you need to update and make sure that you have to go and enhance your understanding. And this is not a minor enhancement. The last update that I want to tell you from this blog is email verification with a one-time password. This default verification email with a one-time password, this is actually sent to the candidate. Once the candidate is going to create the account, then email is going to be sent to the candidate, which is going to display the name of the candidate. For example, like hi Anipe Abraham. So the name is actually displayed. So now what SAP has done in order to prevent the phishing attacks, the attacks like a spam kind of thing. Now what you are going to see, you will not see the name of the candidate. You will not see anymore. You will see it like hello. Your passcode for account verification is some XYZ digits. Enter the passcode on the career opportunities for creating account page to verify your account. This is how it looks like now. But before, this is how you need to see. But earlier, you can see, you will be able to see the name like on the email salutation, in the message body that you're going to receive. This was actually before the previous thing that how you need to experience. But this is the latest one, that this is one of the other minor enhancement you will be able to see. So these are the few enhancements that I wanted to give you a detailed explanation. And I'm sure that this helps you with a new information about the releases for recruitment management from H2 2021 minor enhancement. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.